back to AJ Detailing, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the IK Foam Pro 2, the IK Multi Pro 2, and have a little chat about Koch Chemie's GSF, or as we know, Gentle Snow Foam. So first we'll have a look at the IK Foam Pro 2. So this is just a foaming sprayer, so you can use snow foams and some wheel cleaners. Some wheel and tyre cleaners go quite well in this, but I did get recommended by someone in the comments, I can't remember your name, I'll put that up on screen now, recommended me to try the Autobrite Direct Very Cherry, the non-acid version in this, diluted 1:10. So when we review this in an upcoming video, I will try that as one of the options. But yeah, so in the box you get your IK Foam Pro 2, you get manual, we don't need that, and you get two covers that slide on the bottom right here, and that is just to colour coordinate what you've got in the bottles. So with the IK Foam Pro 2 you get the red colour cap and the green colour cap, and we also get three different colour nozzles. They are for like three different types of foam that you can achieve out of the foamer, mainly for snow foam, but you can use it with other stuff because it works. So as you can see on the back of the box, we have got three tips. The first one is green, and that is for dry foam, which is an additional one. The grey one, which comes in it, but I've already took out because it's a bit of a pain to get out at the start, that is just your medium, so not dry, not wet, just average foam. And then the orange one is your wet foam tip. So when we test this out, I might test all three nozzles so you guys actually know which one is the better nozzle. But for me personally, I'm going to use the grey one, as it's not dry, so it won't use so much solution. It's not wet to the point where it won't use enough. So I'm going to colour coordinate them. So let's talk more about the actual foam itself. So on the IK Foam Pro 2, just like the Multi Pro 2, it's got a flat base and it's a bit wider at the bottom, so it is more stable when it is on the ground. There's no you can't topple it over. It also has the air pressure release, so when storing, I don't advise this, but if you want to keep solution in it, which is what I'd do, then you've got to release the pressure. So just do that, pull it up, and the pressure gets released. On the new ones, they have a lock, so if you push it in this way, you can't lock it. So when you're turning around, if you're, flinging it over the place, not watching where you go, and you don't end up spraying yourself in the eye with some God knows what chemical. The IK Foam Pro 2 also comes with 10 filters, foam filters, and the way you replace these is unscrewing the front of this, which then leaves you with this. Put this on the side, then you take this out, and in here is your foam filter that you can replace. Just ensures that if there's any dirt, it will probably most likely get trapped. So, and then to put that back on, just simply screw it on. Also, with the Foam Pro 2, you can adjust the spray pattern. So if I undo that a tiny bit, I can have it like that, or like how most of us will have it, I'll have it like that. So the spray pattern will be like that. So to get into the bottle, this is the pressure tube, which will be the same on both models, except from in this one, I pulled the nozzle out earlier, is where you put your little tips in to justify what foam you've got. So I'm going to put my grey tip in, and all you do is literally slide it in the hole and just push it in, hear the click, push your solution feed tube in, and then we're back on, screwing it on again. So with this, I don't know if you're able to see, come close to the camera, we have some measurements here. So we have 1.5, 1.25 litres, 1 litre, 0.75, 0.5, and I don't know, it's just saying that this is in litres. this side's in ounces, so we have 50 ounces, 35, and then we have 15 at the bottom here. So for all your American users, then the English users can use their milliliter scale. But yeah, this does hold 1.5 litres, but for the better foam, I recommend putting in only about a litre, because if you fill it up to the top, less air will be able to be compressed between the liquid, so you won't get as much foam and it won't last as long. So if you put a litre in of solution, mixed solution, then pump it up. I've read online they normally take about 30 or 40 pumps, but we will test this out in the next video. Then it will become pressurised. So yeah, that's the IK Foam Pro 2. I am going to put on the green nozzle. Don't know why, but the only thing that I can think of so I don't get mixed up is the fact that I can, in fact, I'll put the red one on it because I'm going to have Very Cherry in it, or the Koch chemie. So, and the Very Cherry's kind of a purpley red colour, so at least that goes. And that just goes on that way and clips on. You can store the nozzles in here, which is probably what I'm going to do actually, but I'm just going to keep it in the box for now. So moving on, we will look at the IK Multi Pro 2. And the IK Multi Pro 2 is very similar to the IK Foam Pro 2, except from this doesn't foam. This just sprays your solution. It has the same lock system and all the same system inside, except from the fact that you don't have the different filters and stuff inside. It also measures in millilitres and ounces for different users. Again, also has the pressure gauge here and the different caps for storage for the nozzles. The nozzles for this one I don't like. I think it's a bit weird. You can adjust the spray pattern by turning this until it's a straight jet or anything, but I don't really like that. So they include, which I think was very thoughtful of them, is a nozzle just like the Foam Pro 2 where you can adjust your spray pattern like that. I don't think this one has any filters, very unlikely. But yeah, all you got to do to change it is grab it by the end and twist, just to unscrew that off. So then, now I've got that nozzle, can put that back in the packet, and then put your new one on, just like that. And tighten it too much, and then just do is all I'm going to do is adjust my spray pattern, make sure it is straight, and there we have it. I'm going to colour coordinate this one green because this will have my citrus pre-wash solutions in. So yeah, that is the IK Multi Pro 2. Obviously the differences between the Foam Pro and the Multi Pro is Foam Pro foams for you, Multi Pro is more of a just another way of carrying more solution and spraying it on quickly and more effectively. Be good for those detailers. I will link these in the description, by the way, everything in this video. But I'm pretty sure you can actually use acids in these, suitable for acids. As you can see, yeah, it's suitable for acids. So that is good if you're into your acidic wheel cleaner. I probably wouldn't put acid through it, but it says it can hold acid, so if you would like to, then that's totally up to you. Me personally, I'd rather not, as I'd hopefully extend the life of it if I don't put acid through it. But anyway, each to their own. And the final thing is Koch Chemie GSF or Gentle Snow Foam. So this has a pH of 7.5, so it won't ruin any of your LSP, your last stage protections. But the dilutions on this are pretty crazy to me. I mean, the good thing is with Koch Chemie, it's German made, and it has no, they don't say like what it does, They don't say it will clean your car, or you know, the dirt will just melt away. They don't claim anything, which is quite good, I think. But the dilutions on this, let's find the English bit. So it's a high foaming, pH neutral snow foam. It's got a unique cherry fragrance. Can be used as a snow foam for pre-washing or as a shampoo. So it is a universal and versatile product. It does have a good dilution. So in a snow foam lance, they say put 20 ml into 1 litre of water. We will try that out with the Foam Pro 2 because we don't have a foam lance because not really interested. And if you want to wash your car with it, they say to put 50 ml into 10 litres of water. I'm going to test the cherry fragrance because I don't know how true that is. Oh wow, that reminds me of Cherry Bomb from EZ Car Care, which is their shampoo. But yeah, so we will test that in the Foam Pro 2 as well as a separate review on the GSF, separate review on the Foam Pro 2, and a separate review on the Multi Pro 2. I just wanted to make this video today to just show you my plans for the next couple of videos and just unbox them so I can give you a bit more information. So when the reviews come out, we can just get straight into the review and not have to talk 5 minutes. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Remember to like and subscribe and comment down below what other things you want me to try, because as that other person commented, I've now gone out and purchased these. So yeah, I think if you give me some more recommendations, I'll get some videos made for you. So I'll see you in the next one.